Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss very strange and sad aspect regarding obstetrical outcome or pregnancy outcome. That is, I need a boy. This concept is associated with many bad outcomes including domestic violence towards women, divorce or separation. When I was postgraduate trainee, a patient came to us in labor room and she was delivered by a cesarean section due to any reason, and the outcome was baby girl. When hospital staff handed over baby girl to that baby's father or patient husband, he refused to take that and he immediately started crying like a child. Everyone was astonished why he is doing so. That person said, I will not take this child. She is not my baby. You people just take it. I will not have this girl. And that person continued crying just like a child, and everyone was worried that why he is doing so. And on asking, he told that her wife was carrying twin baby boys and now you are giving me a single girl. And that man cried to the extent that even hospital staff was forced to think that either there was a mistake on our part. We reviewed all the sequence of events, all antenatal record of patient, and after reviewing that, when nothing was found to be wrong and that was baby that belonged to that couple, then we tried to explore the reason. Either that person wants to blackmail hospital or there is some other reason behind. On exploring, we came to know very strange facts about that. It was second marriage of that person, and from previous marriage he was having 4 baby girls. He married another woman just for a baby boy. And his mother-in-law deceived him for the 9 months that his new wife is carrying twin baby boys. After knowing all these facts, then senior faculty of hospital consulted that person and told him the facts, but still he was not happy with that baby girl. I just want to ask a single question from everyone, that what was fault of that baby girl, that innocent new life? She was rejected from her own parents immediately after birth. And second most important question I want to leave here is, if you can't accept your baby girl or your daughter, why do you marry another person's daughter? This is a separate aspect or separate issue to be discussed, and everyone must think on this point. So these are very bad realities of our society. Second most painful thing about female babies is miscarriage. In Pakistan, according to national study, 2.5 million miscarriages occur per year, and that are induced abortions. Induced abortions mean abortions done by intention without any medical indication, and most of them are due to having a female baby. And the third sad fact about this concept is sex selection drugs. Studies indicate that if you take unnecessary medications or Hakim medications or the medications that are not proven scientifically to be safe during pregnancy, you are at risk of having congenitally malformed fetus. There is threefold increased risk of having an abnormal baby, either male or female. And these medicines are costing too much also. So here I just want to share with all those who never accept their daughters that if you think having a daughter is a bad thing, you just go to fertility centers, see the couples who are unable to have even baby girls after putting too much money in millions. Let me review the basic scientific knowledge regarding human chromosomes. Normal human cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. 22 of these pairs are same in both male and female. The 23rd pair, the sex chromosomes, is different in both male and female. Females carry XX chromosome and male carry XY chromosome. So, if a male partner contributes X chromosome, then the outcome will be female, and if a male partner contributes Y chromosome, the outcome will be male. So, even from scientific knowledge, it seems that male plays decisive role in sex selection or gender selection of your baby. To my point of view, don't blame anyone, either male or female. It's nature who decides either your baby will be male or female. Having kids is gift of God and you cannot purchase it. So if you have male or female babies, just enjoy. Thank Allah for having these blessings, and if you accept your daughters as your kids, so you will enjoy your life and you will feel a different perspective. So don't blame females for having baby girls and don't reject your daughter. And I just want to say that even if you don't want to subscribe or comment, just share this video if it changes someone's concepts regarding pregnancy outcome or makes someone's life better, so you will